आयज 1 डिसेंबर संवसारीक एड्स दीस. ह्या दिसा निमतान पेडण्यां उच्च माध्यमीक विद्यालयाची खासा रॅली जाली. अंदू वर्सा लेट कम्युनिटीज लीड अशी संकल्पना आसा.
This is a rally to create awareness among people on the occasion of World AIDS Day. So the students and the teachers of Government High Secondary School Pednem are here in the Pednem locality to create the same awareness among people so that people get educated, and we try to stop AIDS as per the statement which is given by the World Health Organization to cure AIDS or to stop AIDS by 2030. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.